This is our third and final example. Again, we are going to identify the 6 trig functions. They need to be in proper form and have the right mathematical values as well. So what am I going to do? I need to find where 690 is. I know once around a circle is 360. So I'm going to take 690 minus 360, which is once around a circle, and that tells me, okay, I need to go once around and then end at 330. Okay, so once around, and now I need to go to 330. So 330 is like 33. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 30. Oh, sorry, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. Okay, it's right there. It's at that last dot. So I'm going to go straight out here, straight out, and then we always go directly back to the x-axis, and when we meet the x-axis, it has to be a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to draw this triangle. It looks like this. It looks like this. And a common question is like, what angle here am I evaluating? It's never the 90 degrees, and it's always the one closest to the origin, right there. Always the one closest to the origin, every single time. Okay, so when I stopped here, I was at 330. How much more do I have to go to hit this full revolution, 2 revolutions? 30 more. That means this, 30. Again, I'm going to say this. We went once around, and then my second time around, I stopped right here at 330. I need 30 more to get back to 360. So if this is 30, they have to add up to 180. So I have 180 minus 30 minus 90, 30, 90, and I'm left with 60. Okay, we're going to take out this cheat sheet. Across from 60 is always going to be the square root of 3. Across from 30 is always going to be 1. And across from 90 degrees is always going to be 2. Let's write down the primary trig functions. Let's now determine the sign. When we found this terminal angle and we stopped, we were right here in quadrant number 4. All-Star Trig class says that in quadrant 4, only the cosine and its reciprocal are positive. Positive and positive. This tells you what's positive. Everything else gets a negative. Again, all things are positive, and 1 and 2 only sines, and 3 only tangents, and 4 only cosines. Okay, it's time just to follow the rules. I'm going to make my division lines here. The top is going to be opposite for sine. The bottom is going to be hypotenuse. So from this angle, opposite is 1. Hypotenuse, or opposite of 90, is 2. Cosine follows the directions adjacent over hypotenuse. So from this angle, adjacent is the square root of 3. Hypotenuse is 2. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Now mathematically I feel really confident with those answers. Now I need to flip them. So 2 over 1, 2 over the square root of 3, and the square root of 3 over 1. 6 answers. I feel mathematically solid about these, but we have to make sure before I circle them that they are in the proper form. There's no square root in the bottom, we're good. There's no square root in the bottom. Oh, we got a problem here. How do I rewrite it? I throw the bottom number up top and rewrite the bottom with no square root. There's no square root in the bottom. Good. Throw the bottom up top and rewrite the bottom with no square root. There's no square root in the bottom. We're good.